Here we have 8 test tubes, each one representing a step of the scientific method. So I want to put these in order. So on the left side in that little space, I'm going to put like a number 1 with the first step, number 2 with the second step, a 3 with the third step. So let's go through. And just a reminder, because there's 8 of these, we're a little more detailed in separating these out. So the first one, number 1, I want to state a problem. I want to ask a question. Okay? And by doing that, I'm going to observe, the world around me. Number 2, what's my second step? I'm going to research. I'm going to do some research. I'm going to research the problem. Number 3, what am I going to do next? I'm going to come up with an educated guess. I'm going to form a hypothesis. Number 4, I'm going to prepare for the experiment. So by preparing, I'm going to write down a series of steps or procedures. So number 4, I'm going to write down the procedures that I'm going to use to test the experiment. Number 5, I'm going to then perform the experiment. I'm going to test my hypothesis. Number 6, if you look at the top, I'm going to observe all the results. Now, this observation is not observing before the problem. This is observing my results of the experiment. That would be number 6. Number 7, I'm going to look at my results and I'm going to interpret the data. I'm going to go ahead and make a graph. That's going to be 7. And then 8, I'm going to state the conclusion. Okay? I'm going to state the conclusion about the problem. Now here's a little bit more of a review. I'm probably going to take some of these questions and you can actually get some of these from the actual notes at the beginning. So let's go through number 1, to explain or giving a meaning to. This would be L, interpret. If I interpret the data, I'm going to try and explain, give the data meaning. Number 2, something that can change. What's a change? Or something that can influence the results. This is referring to variable. Remember, a variable is a change. Number 3, when I notice what's occurring during the experiment, this is referring to observation, observing, the results of the experiment. Number 4, the inquiry or the problem relating to the topic that I'm trying to get answered. So this is going to, basically I'm coming up with questions. So remember, inquiry means question. Scientific inquiry is another name of the scientific method. So to inquire of something, I'm going to question it. I'm going to ask a question. Number 5, a method of doing research that includes the steps of having a problem or a question, gathering data, hypothesis, experiment, testing it, and drawing a conclusion. That all describes what? The scientific method. Then number 6, following the rules and being fair and honest. We said this in the notes. This is being ethical. Ethical, doing what's right. Number 7, what is an educated guess or a reasonable assumption? This is a hypothesis. G, hypothesis. And then number 8, to conduct an investigation into current information about something. This is referring to doing research. So when I investigate, I'm going to look in a book, magazine, internet sites, videos, or ask people with experience. Number 9, a test or a trial performed to discover something. This is an experiment. Then number 10, the result or the outcome is referring to the conclusion. When I end something, the outcome is a conclusion. 11, to write accurate information. Okay, when I'm writing things down, I'm recording it. And then 12, a sequence of steps refers to a procedure. So when I plan for my experiment, I'm going to write down all my steps, my procedures. Okay, if you have any questions, if there was anything confusing, please reach out to me and let me know. Please ask me a question. Thank you.